What's up guys, it's De'Ara and you're watching Wildly Written. So let's hop on into today's video. It's going to be a good one. So we're going to be stuffing our cash envelopes for October and I've already got my denominations. So let's go ahead and write this out. I'm going to turn this and I made this little budget for the month of October. It's an entire budget breakdown and so it has income, savings, bills and debt, and then cash envelopes. So you guys will have to let me know if you want a October budget video. But for now, we'll just use the cash envelopes portion. So for gas, we're going to be adding 40. I hope you guys can see that. Maybe I should zoom in just a bit. Alright, there we go. So gas 40, groceries 100, dining is getting 50, spending 50, health is getting 20, giving is getting 10, entertainment is getting 10, beauty is getting 20, boss babe is getting 0 this month or this week, and then car maintenance is getting 30, and then miscellaneous is getting 20, and then we have holiday and savings, and that is going to be getting $50. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Alright, so we're all set up and we're going to start out with our first cash envelope, which is gas. And gas is going to be getting $40. 220s. As you can see, gas is empty. She needs to be refilled. Okay, oh look guys. So I'm going to scooch this in here. And we're just going to set these in there as they get filled up. So groceries is getting $100 and it currently has 11 left over. So I'm gonna save this $1 bill, put it to the side, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with that later. Next we're gonna take two 50s and add that. So the balance for gas is 40. I'll see that. 40. The balance for groceries is 110. I'm gonna have to figure out how to write like this because that is pretty difficult. All right, so 110 for groceries. Okay, next up we have dining out, and dining out is getting 50. So 2 and a 10, and as you can see, it's empty, so its balance is going to be 50. Next we're doing spending, and spending has $9, I believe. 1 2 3 4, yes, $9. So we're gonna keep these ones off to the side and then we're going to add $50. So 2 and a 10. So spending will now have $55. Alright, next up is health, and health is getting $20. I haven't spent anything yet, so it currently has 65, and we will be adding another 20, putting it at $95. I have a doctor's appointment and a dentist appointment this week, so this will definitely go to use. Next up is giving, and giving, I gave away $10 this week and it still has 10 left over. I'm going to keep these ones in here instead of adding them to my pile, and then we're just going to add 2 more ones, putting us at 20, 2 more 5s, putting us at $20. I like to keep a couple ones in the giving because it's just needed. Alright, so giving will end up at 20. Next we have entertainment. I have not done anything that fun, so I haven't spent any of my entertainment money from the last cash envelopes. So it currently has $55. It's going to get an additional 10, and that's going to put us at $65. All right. And then as you can see, I got my nails done, and I'm obsessed with this matte black dip. Beauty is what I use to pay for my nails, and it currently has $20, $40, $50, $53 left. I'm going to take this $3 and we're going to add 20 because I still need a pedicure, so hopefully this will cover a gel pedi. So it's $70. All right. Next up is Boss Babe. You guys, I haven't spent any of this money. I haven't bought any new books, but it currently has $60. So Boss Babe is going to stay at $60. And hopefully I can find some new books to get into. You guys, if you didn't know, I have a second channel called Wildly De'Ara, and I got so many book recommendations in one of my previous videos, so maybe I'll buy a few of those. Next up is car maintenance, and car maintenance is getting $30. It currently has 20, 40, 60, 80, so now it's going to have a 20 and a 10, and that is going to put us at 110. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110. Okay, next up is miscellaneous. I don't even know how much money is in this. Miscellaneous has 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and it's getting 20. So do I want to take these ones? Yeah, we're going to take those. So we have 5, 10, and it's getting 20. So I'm going to put 2 5s and 2 5s. So now it is at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Alright, so that leaves us done with all of our cash envelopes, and then we're going to move on to my little savings pocket over here. So Holiday is getting $50, which is the remainder, so 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And we're going to go ahead and add that to here. So it currently has 150, so that's going to make it $200 in Holiday. Oops. So I currently have this as my savings, but I'm thinking that it's going to end up being a sinking fund, because that just makes more sense to me personally, because this isn't technically, it's savings, but it's not technically savings. So yeah, that's just a thought that I have in my head right now. And then as you can see, I have this miscellaneous envelope of fitness, and I'm going to add this on here, but I think I'm going to change this envelope because I just don't see myself getting a membership right now. And it's going to be getting 0. But let me go ahead and worry about my $1 savings so I can stay in order. You guys, look at us go! So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have $13 into our $1 savings. So that's exciting. I think I'm gonna need a jar for this eventually, because wow, this is way too tight for these dollars. Okay, and then like I was saying about fitness currently has $50, but I just don't see myself getting a membership. Like, I just don't. And so what I'm gonna try to do is maybe look into some wellness classes, maybe yoga, I don't know, but I'm not gonna add to it because clearly I didn't use it, and I need to, but we'll save it for a rainy day. Alright guys, so that is the end of me stuffing my cash envelopes for the month. These are so stinking cute, and I just got this random thing I thrifted, and I don't know, I just felt like it would work for this, so I bought it. But let me know if you guys want me to do some digital downloads where you guys can have this for yourself, because I think it's so cute and I love doing it on my iPad. And once I actually do my full on budget, like on my personal time, I will be using this and adding in all of my income and things like that. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.